Today we will be learning about basic superposition. Like we did in the previous video, we will be doing the Blueqat superposition basics in Google Colab. Like we did in the previous video, first we will be doing the installation of Blueqat. We can do this by typing the code !pip install Blueqat. Do not forget the exclamation mark. Let us try this code in Google Colab. Type the code that was shown earlier and run the code by clicking on the play button. The Blueqat will be installed after a while. We have already done this step in the previous video. Now let us go on to initialize grid circuit and run. First, we import the Blueqat module by typing the following code. We have also seen this in the earlier video. In order to implement superposition, we apply Hadamard gate, which is also known as H gate, to the circuit. Type the code as shown. If we run this code, we will get the result 0 and 1, almost half of each other. Keep in mind that in the previous code we typed earlier, we have put Hadamard gate, which implements superposition. Let us try the basic superposition in Google Colab. Type the code that was shown earlier. First we import the Blueqat module, then we put the Hadamard gate to implement the superposition. If we run this code, we will get the result 0 and 1, almost half of each other. The answer is uncertain and changes slightly every time you click on the run button. But the answer will be always almost half of each other. Let us go on to the next topic, that is state vector. If we run this code, we will get an array as an output like this. The number on the left is the probability that 0 will appear, and the number on the right is the probability that 1 will appear. Let us confirm this. Type the code that was shown earlier, then run it, and as you can see, we get the output that was explained earlier. Now let us talk about minus state. If we run the code that is shown, we get the output like this. Since there is that gate this time, the right side number has the minus sign. Now let us try this code. Add the H gate, then Z gate, and measurement gate this time. If you run the gate, we get an output. This output is same as the positive state. Let us confirm it in Google Colab. Put the H gate, Z gate, and measurement gate, and run the code by clicking on the play button. If we run it, then we get the output similar to the positive state.